So, let's talk about one of the strangest, most fascinating things in the plant kingdom, synchronized bamboo flowering. Yes, bamboo, the plant you probably associate with pandas, flimsy garden fences, or maybe that one trendy cutting board in your kitchen. But did you know that bamboo has a secret life so bizarre it could rival the plot of a sci-fi movie? Stay with me, because this is going to blow your mind. Here's the deal. Bamboo doesn't flower every year. Oh no, that would be far too basic. Some species of bamboo only flower once every 15 years. Others, they stretch it out to a jaw-dropping 150 years. And when they flower, it's not just a few plants here and there. No, the entire species flowers at the same time. We're talking bamboo forests on different continents, all bursting into bloom like they're part of some global plant flash mob. It's a worldwide botanical phenomenon, and scientists still don't entirely understand how it works. Now, the obvious question is, why? Why would a plant decide to keep such a ridiculously long schedule? Turns out, bamboo's onto something pretty clever. It's playing the long game. See, when bamboo flowers, it goes all in. It produces a massive number of seeds, floods the ecosystem with food, and then promptly dies. But here's the genius part. This seed tsunami overwhelms predators. Mice, birds, insects. They can eat all the seeds they want, but there's so much that plenty of seeds survive to grow into new bamboo. It's like the ultimate you can't eat me out of house and home strategy. And here's the kicker. This flowering is synchronized on a global scale. Bamboo species separated by oceans and mountains all flower at the same time. Imagine if every human on Earth decided to throw a birthday party on the exact same day, no matter where they were. That's bamboo for you. Scientists believe this synchronization is hardwired into the plant's DNA. It's like they all have the same biological clock, ticking down to zero at precisely the same moment, even if they've never shared a patch of soil. But wait, it gets even stranger. Bamboo doesn't just rely on seeds to spread. It grows clonally, spreading through underground rhizomes. This means that entire forests of bamboo are basically giant, interconnected clones of the same plant. So when one part of the forest flowers, the whole thing goes up like it's been programmed by a master switch. It's kind of like your overly enthusiastic neighbor who decorates their entire yard for Christmas. Except imagine that happening with every yard on the planet all at once. And the timing? That's a real head-scratcher. How does a plant keep track of 150 years without a calendar? Scientists have some theories. But the main idea is that this timing mechanism is embedded in the plant's genetics. It's not about local conditions like weather or sunlight. It's pure DNA magic. How accurate is this clock? Let's put it this way. Bamboo doesn't just arrive fashionably late. It shows up exactly on time, every time, even after a century and a half. Let that sink in the next time you're 5 minutes late to work. Of course, all this synchronized flowering isn't without consequences. When bamboo dies after flowering, it leaves entire ecosystems scrambling. Animals that rely on bamboo for food or shelter suddenly have to adapt. And in some places, like parts of India, the sudden explosion of bamboo seeds leads to rat population booms. These rats, in turn, devastate local crops, leading to food shortages for humans. Yes, bamboo flowering can cause actual famines. Who knew pandas weren't the only ones with high stakes in bamboo? Economically, it's a mixed bag. Industries that depend on bamboo, like construction, paper, or even that trendy kitchenware, suffer when entire forests die off. It can take years for the next generation of bamboo to mature. And for conservationists, managing these die-offs is no picnic. Dead bamboo is like kindling, creating fire risks, and the empty spaces left behind can invite invasive species to move in. So while bamboo's flowering strategy is brilliant for survival, it's also a bit of a mess for everyone else. But here's what's most mind-blowing. Despite everything we've learned, scientists still don't fully understand how bamboo does it. Why 150 years? Why not 50 or 200? How does the genetic clock stay so precise across continents and centuries? And what does bamboo even gain from this insane strategy, other than being a botanical enigma? These are the questions that keep biologists up at night, and probably make them question their career choices when they realize they'll never see some species flower in their lifetime. So, next time you see a patch of bamboo, give it a nod of respect. Behind those innocent green stalks lies one of nature's greatest mysteries. And who knows, maybe in another 100 years, someone will finally figure it out. Or maybe bamboo's just playing the long game, keeping us guessing. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Trust me, you don't want to miss what we're digging into next. Thanks for watching, and remember, nature is way weirder and way cooler than we give it credit for.